So today we're looking at our 427 twin turbo small block. This is my favorite of all of our engines. It's just a tried and true workhorse. It just takes a beating, makes killer boost now. The power numbers are ridiculous. It's just my favorite. And this one's black anno, which is my style. It's got our Nelson 321 headers. Got a billet specialty drive system on it with AC, power steering, the whole shebang there. Twin blow-offs, our billet alien intake with the billet snout, some of our valve covers, which we've black anode and then cut the Nelson out of it. The thing is just slick. Got the stainless hard lines. It's just a mean mofo. And this is something that you really can drive just basically anywhere to make 1750 horsepower. We've got a dyno water to air intercooler on here. This isn't what's in the car, but it's what we're using for the dyno. Just a bad boy. Bitchin' little idle. Smooth, but still has a nice little note. That thing revs nice too. 1,205 foot-pounds, 1,270 horsepower, 21.9 pounds of boost. Baby. $12.19, $12.82, 21.3 pounds, 1,026 at the start of the pull. Look at that torque curve. 1,026, 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 11. Just ridiculous. Jeremy's gonna have a crazy little motor. Check out the badass patina on these headers. All rainbowed out and shit. That's when you know you're making a little bit of heat and power. That's when you got headers that look like rainbows. Like I said, one of my favorite engine combos right here.
Okay, Alpha 1. This is Alpha 2. I've been here for hours. I think they're all gone. I've been watching them. Everyone's left. They're at the different building. I'm gonna go for it. I'm in. Okay. I'm behind the shipping crate here. I don't think anyone's here. If there are, I'm gonna have to hide. Let's see. What's up here? What do we got? Hopefully we're gonna get what we need. What is this thing? Looks like something for the NASA shuttle or something. I don't know what I'm looking at, but it looks big. Not so big. Big. Yeah. Okay. Of course somebody sees me. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but it ain't too big. Okay. I think I'll get my way out of this building before someone walks up and catches me. Okay. I don't know how many buildings. It looks like there's 4 or 5 of them over here from looking at the people wandering around. Now this looks good. They haven't completely closed off the building. What the hell is in here? Well, this looks pretty. There's a whole bunch of pretty stuff in here. What the hell is that? Some kind of engine. That must be the one for the space shuttle. Holy crap. Where do you get room for this thing? I wonder if it goes in a car. Oh, this is a good one. I wonder what it is. We got some other things in here too. Oh, that's a pretty little baby, isn't it? I don't see anyone around. I think I'll see what's under the hood. I lifted up the hood so we could see if there's something special in here. And it's a pretty one too. A lot of work. Seems to be finished. I don't know. Oh, I think I hear someone coming. I gotta get out of here. Hey, how are you? How you doing?
Pretty good. How you doing?
I think they're out of the building over here. There's another building. I think there's something in it. See the guys coming out of it. Okay, I'm going for it. I don't think it's locked. Nope, not locked. Not much noise there. Let's see what's in here. Might be something else of interest. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, some kind of steel thing. Someone's working on something over here. A few more cars. Whatever it is, it looks expensive. What's all this tubing over here? I don't know. Must be making shelves or something. There's something inscribed on the wall there. I can't really read it. I don't know. I have to read it when it's on a big screen, I guess. Yeah, this is the place. It says Nelson. Gotta go, or I get caught.
Alpha 1, this is Alpha 2. You are in possession of the package as of 3:26 today.
Like I said, one of my favorite engine combos right here.